Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Shelly's Millions. For those of you who've been watching for a long time, you guys know that I want to be a millionaire, but I'm also currently unemployed. So what does unwrapping a MacBook have to do with either of those things? Well, first of all, I wanted to get a new computer. I needed to upgrade from this guy, which is not very good when I've been doing my lives with you guys and I can't use iMovie. I've been editing and filming entirely on my phone. And I feel like a lot of YouTubers make videos about their MacBooks, but they never really say whether they get the 13-inch or the 16-inch, whether they get the base model or a bigger model. So I want to tell you which version I chose, why I chose it, and here's how it ties in to finance. I actually saved $500 on this computer using a tip that I got from watching Graham Stephan's channel and this video right here. So if you want to watch me open up my new computer, stick around and watch this video till the end. It's really been thanks to you guys that I have been able to upgrade my computer, and I'm hoping also in doing this that when I'm doing things where it would be better to actually share my screen versus just taking a picture and sharing it with you guys, that it will actually help the quality of my videos. And if you're new to the channel, if you could please take a moment and like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, I would certainly appreciate it. Okay, so if you guys have watched my lives, you know that I'm not always the best at multitasking. You also know that I used to work at a movie theater, so I'm going to use this little knives out letter opener to try and get my new computer open and share what's inside with you guys. So first of all, I decided on the 16-inch base model MacBook Pro, and I think that look at that. I thought it was going to be like silver on the top. I think that the space gray is the more common model of this thing, but I chose the silver. I just think it's sleeker and nicer. Ooh, look, that worked very well, my little knives out thing. So this is the 16-inch MacBook Pro. I guess you guys aren't really seeing me open this. Hang on. That's the other thing about an unboxing video is you get one shot to do it. Okay, so here we go. This is maybe more exciting. So this is the 16-inch MacBook Pro with the Retina LED backlit display, 2.6 gigahertz, 6-core Intel Core i7. And let me just say that I bought this during quarantine. And to go get an Apple product from the Apple Store right now, which is where I bought this, you need to make an appointment. So I'm, at least in California. So I made an appointment to go to the MacBook Store. Oh, this is exciting. Okay, but you guys don't get to see what I just saw. Okay, so I got this. This is look number one at this. So I made an appointment with the Apple Store because I really didn't know what I wanted, what the difference really was going to be between the 13-inch and the 16-inch, if I needed just the base model or if I needed to get something better. And basically he said that the 13-inch versus the 16-inch is really just a preference. I feel like I'm going to drop this. It's just a preference in pretty much monitor screen size. And then I noticed, let's see if I can get this open because there's some wrapping paper on this too. It's not wrapping paper, you guys know. That was easy. This thing is actually kind of heavy. It's definitely heavier than the 13-inch. I had heard rumors, left like fingerprints from where I'm holding it. I don't love that. I heard rumors that the 13-inch overheat a little bit more when you're editing. I don't know if that's true. The guy at the Apple Store says it wasn't, but that was one reason why I wanted to choose the 16-inch. The other reason is this. Oh, so it's supposed to be easier to edit, like if you have a bigger monitor to edit. I don't even know how to open this guy. I'm gonna break it. I'm scared. Okay. All right. Then there's like a little protective sheet over the screen. That's gone. Oh, look, it's coming right on. It knows. So this is the MacBook Pro. And the other thing that you'll notice is right here. On this 16-inch, it has like wider area for speakers. And when I noticed that, I asked him, I said, is the speakers, the microphone any better on, oh, it wants me to do some stuff. I can't do the stuff while I do the video because I'm not that great at multitasking, as you guys know.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay. Apparently I'm going to do some stuff because it's talking to me as soon as I turn on. The speakers are a little bit better. Billy helped me at the Apple store at the Grove, and he was amazing. Is it going to talk to me again? I'm not in Afghan. Oh, it knows where I'm from. Okay, so let's put this guy down on the desk. There's some other stuff in here, too. What's in here? This cord. And this thing. I think it's stickers. Oh,
Mac OS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver.
This
If you
is
know how to
scary.
use VoiceOver,
I don't know how to
press
use
the
any of
Command
this.
key while you press Touch ID 3 times at the right end of the touch bar. To learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
Oh my god, should I just close the lid? Because this is going to keep talking to me. I'm just going to let it sit there and I'm not going to do anything. It comes with this thing that's probably like you charge it and the cord to charge it. And then this, I wasn't expecting that, guys. Oh, it's some little stickers. Like all Apple products do. Okay. So Billy at the Grove said that the speaker specs are better on the 16-inch. So that was one of the deciding factors also. And I did go ahead and get the 16-inch monitor, even though the computer itself is kind of heavier, because I figured like more monitor space, the better that was going to be when I start editing on a computer versus on my phone. So that's ultimately what led me to make my decision. I'm just going to close this because I'm scared it's going to talk again. So I knew I wanted to make this unboxing video, and I actually bought this back on October 13th, and today is November 7th when I'm actually making this. And of course, in between the time when I bought it and the time when I'm doing this video, I have something else to open while we talk. In between that time, they have announced that they expect on November 10th that Apple's going to announce that they're coming out with a new MacBook Pro. And so I kind of wish that I would have waited in order to get that, because this is still computer related, but from Amazon on Prime Day, not from the Apple store. Because I feel like it would be more fun to watch me unbox like the brand new MacBook than it is to unbox this one. I think this is like a 2019 model, but I bought it in 2020. A little ASMR for you guys there. I hope I don't break that. So yeah, so that's why I bought that size. Now, so that's the one complaint, is I wish I would have waited maybe to get the newer one so that it would have been more exciting when I unboxed it. So here's how I saved the $500 and how I attribute that to Graham Stephan. So basically, a lot of people that are millionaires or want to be millionaires, or this could even be if you're currently unemployed and you're struggling and you know that you have a big purchase coming up. So the Chase Sapphire Preferred card has a cashback offer if you spend $4,000 within the first 3 months of getting the card. And I knew I was going to be doing a laptop, and I knew between my other bills and everything else that was coming up that I would easily spend that amount of money. So I went ahead and I signed up for that. I thought this was supposed to have other stuff in the package. This is a protector for the laptop, like a case, I guess. And so with the card, there's actually a $95 fee, and to get the card, you need for it to be likely that you'll be approved, you do need a credit score of 690 or above. But if that's you, so the offer was actually $600 cash back, but because of the $95 fee, I'm only counting it as getting $500 cash back. And actually the offer is even better right now. Right now, they're giving you 80,000 points, which transfers into $800, which after the $95 fee would really only be $700. So that's a really good deal if you're going to be making big purchases anyway and you have a good credit score. I don't open that package off camera because it was making a lot of noise. Hopefully, yes, there is some stuff in here. Why is this hard and plastic? I don't understand. There were also supposed to be 4 things in this case. I guess this is like a carrying case. This is a little thing that has things where you can plug like a USB thingamajig in, because I guess like the side of the MacBook doesn't have places where you can plug stuff in. And I guess you're really gonna need that when you're making videos. Let's see how many things on the side it has. Oh, good. None. It's got 2 of those guys on that side and then 2 of those guys on that side. So nothing where you can plug like a, I think that's a USB. I'm not good at computers, guys. But so nothing where you can plug that in. Maybe there's something else in here, because I feel like this was supposed to come with 4 or 5 things for my MacBook, and it's only got 3 so far. It's got this thing with the extra 3 ports, this carrying case. Ooh, that's nice. It's like a little velvety or something inside. And then this thing, which I believe is for the outside of the case, but I could swear this was supposed to have 4 things. Anyway, so thank you, Graham Stephan, for helping me save $500 when I made this very big purchase. This is probably the most expensive thing that I've ever bought for myself. I do see it as an investment towards the business, because I want it to improve the videos that I'm making for you guys. So we'll see if I can figure this out by tomorrow morning, because I go live on Sunday morning. So in addition to the credit card deal, and I will link that down below in the description, I guess millionaires commonly kind of do something called credit card churning, and they just open up like a ton of credit cards and they follow those cashback offers around and make lots of money. And I've actually been doing that a little bit this year since I'm unemployed and I need to just maximize all the ways that I can potentially get money. So I'll be making a video about that later on as well. And yeah, let's see. I don't even remember what the 4th thing was supposed to be that I got in here. Oh, look, there's a little cutout so you can still see your little Apple device. Oh, keyboard protector, and that's in there. Let's keep opening this. There's a lot of, this is way more difficult than the computer. But this knives out tool is really working well, so thanks for that. I missed my job at the movie theater. We're still not cleared to reopen. So let me know in the comments down below, do you guys think I made a good investment? Like, do you think I should have waited? Some people also say that it's not good to buy a Mac the first year it comes out, MacBook Pro, because they're still kind of like tweaking things with it, I guess. This kind of seems like a hunk of junk. I don't know how much protecting it's going to do, but hopefully it'll look cute and it'll keep those smudges that I was like, oh, this is smudging when I was touching the laptop. And the little computer thing is the bottom. Oh, with the little air vents. I'll link that, I guess, in the comments down below, or the description down below as well, if you guys are interested in this little package. Oh, do I need to wait to take this out? What is this? Yeah, okay. So this is somehow stuck to that, and it's going to be like a keyboard protector, I guess. Oh, yeah. And then this is the 5th thing, because there's a screen protecty thing as well. There we go. All 5 pieces. So the pieces are the keyboard protector, the screen protector, the bottom vent thing, the hard plasticky cover thing where you can still see the Apple, and then, oh, and the carrying case, and the thing that adds the thing where you can put the USB ports into. So that's everything that came with that. And those kinds of, the accessories are much cheaper to buy off of Amazon than they are for the Apple store. But you guys can see how confused I am about computery stuff. So thanks, Billy, for helping me out. And I should have asked him, because Billy said his daughter has a YouTube channel and I didn't get the name of her channel to share with you guys. But Apple, if you're watching, Billy at the Grove, he was great and answered all my questions, which were basically, what's the best model for somebody that's going to be doing some streaming, some YouTubing, some editing, all of that stuff. So I went ahead and got the one with all the bells and whistles. I think that's it. I don't have anything else to open right now. And I'm excited to let the computer talk to me and see what it's going to say and try and get it up and running for tomorrow's live. Thank you so much to all of you who have been watching the channel that have made this possible. I'm really excited to use it and see if it's better. Thanks so much for watching Shelly's Millions. I'll see you next time.